What if I told you that the investment most people think is boring is actually the one thing that saves late retirees over and over again? Sounds impossible, right? Because we've all been taught that if you're behind on retirement, you need bigger risks, faster gains, and some magical stock that can double your money overnight. But what if that's exactly the trap that keeps people struggling? Imagine this. You're 60 years old. Retirement is no longer some distant dream. It's right around the corner. You look at your savings account and realize it isn't where you hoped it would be. Panic starts creeping in. Every financial headline promises massive returns. Every social media guru talks about turning thousands into millions. And suddenly, taking huge risks feels like the only option. But then, something surprising happens. A retiree named David faced the same situation. He wasn't rich. He didn't have decades left to recover from mistakes. Instead of chasing the next hot investment, he focused on one simple thing: high-quality dividend-paying stocks. While everyone around him was obsessing over stock market hype, David started building a portfolio of companies with long histories of paying and increasing dividends. Nothing flashy, nothing exciting. Yet year after year, those investments continued sending him income. Here's why this matters. When you're retiring late, your biggest challenge isn't just growing wealth. It's creating reliable cash flow without constantly worrying about market crashes. Dividend stocks help solve that problem. They allow you to participate in market growth while generating income from businesses that often have strong financial foundations. Instead of hoping to sell investments at the perfect time, you're receiving payments along the way. Now I'm curious, have you ever considered dividend investing for retirement? If you're finding value in this so far, take a second to hit the like button. It helps more people discover strategies that could genuinely improve their financial future. But let's continue. During market downturns, many investors panic because their portfolios are losing value. David felt those declines too. The difference was that his dividend income kept arriving. That steady stream of payments gave him confidence to stay invested when others were rushing for the exits. Over time, patience rewarded him. The real lesson here isn't that dividend stocks are a shortcut to wealth. They're not. The lesson is that successful retirement investing often comes from simplicity, consistency, and focusing on income-producing assets rather than chasing speculation. Late retirees don't usually have the luxury of recovering from massive losses. That's why preserving capital while generating income becomes so important. And here's the belief-shattering truth. The investment that saves late retirees every time isn't usually the one making headlines. It's the one quietly working in the background, producing income, reducing stress, and helping create financial stability when it matters most. So before you chase the next big thing, ask yourself whether you need excitement or reliability. Sometimes the smartest move is also the simplest one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss practical wealth-building strategies. Share this video with someone approaching retirement and let me know in the comments. Would you choose steady income or high-risk growth if retirement was just around the corner?